What's up everybody, Lone Star Rocker channel here, and I've been working all day long and it's starting to get cold in Texas. It's about 40 degrees and I'm trying to think of something that I can get that will heat me up. I'm super hungry. What can I eat that will heat me up? Thinking something like a chili dog. So anyway, I'm gonna go get me a chili dog. I know a really good place. Let's go. And we're here. Right inside there should be a better chili cheese dog than Sonic, and I'm gonna eat one today. Let's do it. Dun dun dun! Wienerschnitzels. They got their chili cheese dogs, their corn dogs, and tater scoops. I don't want to crash my diet, so I'm just gonna have one chili cheese dog, but let's check this out. I heard they're pretty good. All right. Might have the whole place to myself. Gonna sit at this lonely table in the cold. The chili, open it up. That's what I'm gonna eat. Definitely a step up. World famous for their chili, that's what she told me. Pretty good. I like the extra cheese. I got a little on my, see that there. Boop. Well, that was pretty darn tasty, I have to admit. Anyway, I want to let you guys know I'm going to be heading to Florida for the weekend, Halloween weekend. Hopefully I'll get the vlog when I'm down there, post something cool to watch. If you like what you see, please subscribe, and I want you all to rock on. Wienerschnitzels. Let's get some hot dogs.